Hello everyone. Today we will learn digraph sh. When two letters say one sound, we say it a digraph. Now let's do the sound sh. You know, S and H together makes sh sound. Can you please repeat after me? Sh. Very good. Okay, now let's do some words with sh sound. Okay, let's start reading words in which sh sound is coming in the starting or in the beginning of the words, like in shower, shadow, shovel, shorts, ship, shirt, and shoes. Let's read more words with sh sound: shop, sheep, bush, dish, fish, and wash. Shells, shelf, shower, sheep, shoe. Shoe is also a sight word. Shirt, shy. She, ship, shop, shed, shut, shot, shell. Now you can revise words in which sh sound is coming in the beginning, like in shells, shelf, shower, sheep, shoe, shirt, shy. This we have already done. Now let's read words in which sh sound is coming at the end, like in fish, dish, wash, cash, trash, push, brush, crush. Flash, shark, shampoo, trash, blush, rash, smash, wish. Now let's read sentences with sh sound words. The hot dog is on a dish. He has a rash on his neck. Ramu will shut the shop. Dev will rush to the shed. Dolly is in shock. I have a pet fish. Do you have a pet fish? My fish lives in a big tank. My fish is orange. The short man has cash. A big fish is on the dish. The ship is big. My sheet is short. Shut the box. Rush to the shop. The man shot the gun. I lost my shoes. I got a new blue shirt. My dad will use the new brush to paint. I found a pretty shell at the beach. I'm going to save all my cash. Okay, now we will read stories with sh sound words. First story is Sheila went to the shop to get a shirt. She saw a shirt with a shell on it and a shirt with a sheep on it. The shirt with the shell was too short. She got the shirt with the sheep. She went home to show her mom her new shirt. And next story is Shane and Shelley want to earn some cash. Their mom gives them 4 jobs. She said they can brush the dogs, polish the shoes, wash the car, and feed the fish. Shane and Shelley did all the jobs. Now they can buy a new toy. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more videos. And you can also follow us on our Instagram page Mini Moppet. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more such videos. And you can also follow us on our Instagram page Mini Moppet. Thank you so much for watching this video.